This is a video about California State Bill 435, which Governor Schwarzenegger passed as one of his last official acts as governor here. What it is a motorcycle anti-tampering bill. And I'll read some part of the bill. It's about loud pipes. There were enough complaints about loud pipes that initially they wanted to make it an anti-tampering bill telling people that they had to also get a smog check, but now there's no smog check involved, but it still involves loud pipes. So I'm going to read this to you. This is going to be a very boring video to look at, so if your sound is turned off, I apologize. We were looking at a 1991 FXR with Screaming Eagle pipes on it. This bill would make it a crime for a person to park, use, or operate a motorcycle registered in the state that is manufactured on and after January 1, 2013, or a motorcycle registered in the state with an aftermarket exhaust system equipment that is manufactured on or after January 1, 2013 that does not have the above label and would make a violation of this provision punishable by a specified fine, thereby imposing a state-mandated local program by creating a new crime. So the label that they're talking about is a label that certifies that an exhaust system meets federal sound limits. So if you don't have that label on as the bike comes from the factory, then you get a ticket. Now they can't pull you over for having loud pipes. They have to have another reason to pull you over. So this is kind of an add-on fix-it ticket. Your first offense is going to be $50 to $100, but then you have to show up at the DMV with pipes that have the DOT stamp on them. Now this only pertains to motorcycles made on or after January 1, 2013. So for your old bikes, you'll be okay other than getting pulled over regularly for having loud pipes, I imagine. It makes me a little nervous because the state's broke right now, and I've noticed police officers pulling people over for just about all over the place. People appear to be getting traffic tickets now, so this is just another reason for them to pull you over and raise more money. I do understand the debate about loud pipes being annoying. I mean, I've been up at a wedding in the Santa Monica Mountains and heard loud Harleys go by, and the preacher has to be quiet, wait for the motorcycles to go by, and then continue, and then wait for the next motorcycles to go by. So I get it that it's somewhat noise pollution, but I like having a little bit of noise coming out of my bike so people know that I'm there. If you ride a totally quiet bike, like you get on that Suzuki there, which I'm never going to change just because I love the whistling and the funky sounds that it makes. But when you get on the Suzuki, you feel like you're invisible compared to the Harley. So that's it. If your bike was made before 2013, you're okay. If it was made after 2013, then you're watching this video in the future. So just in the future, before you modify your exhaust system, make sure that you know what the law is. This is also going to really hurt the aftermarket exhaust industry. I mean, that's huge. Cobra and Super Trap and all those guys. They're going to have to make DOT legal exhaust cans, which probably will mean that they won't increase performance very much. I guess they can still go with really cool looking pipes that are quiet. For the Harley crowd, that'd probably be alright, but for the sport bikers, they want super performance. So that's it. That's SB435.